So welcome to the project demonstration of Android mobile phone control, DC motor, speed and direction controlling system along with monitor the speed on the LCD screen. So here we are going to control the direction of this DC motor and speed of this DC motor with help of this PCB, and this PCB consists of L293D motor driver. So it can control two DC motors speed and direction. So now in our project we are going to control this one DC motor speed and direction. So in this one we have interface a C0 C1 pin of this PIC microcontroller. So we are using PIC 16F73 microcontroller. So the connection between the L293D and PIC 16F73 is C0 C1 for direction controlling. C1 is connected to the enable pin of our L293D IC. So the enable pin purpose is we can send the PWM signal to that pin so that the speed of this motor will be controlled. And the next IR sensor is placed here to measure the speed of this DC motor. Whenever an obstacle coming in front of this IR sensor and receiver pair, then the pulse will be given to the microcontroller. So the pulses will be counted and the pulses converted into RPS, that is a revolutions per second, and that will be continuously monitoring on the LCD screen along with which direction we have selected. And this is the HC05 Bluetooth module to communicate between the mobile phone and our microcontroller. So this adapter will provide us 5 volts power supply by taking 230 volts inputs. So before switching on that, we need to enable the Bluetooth, as well as we need to install an application. So this is the Arduino Bluetooth control application from the Play Store. Okay, so after downloading that, we need to configure. So key configuration. So there U is capital U, D is small d, capital D, all are capital letters, right for capital R, left for capital L. Done. After key configuration, you can go back and switch on the kits. So now go to Bluetooth settings of your phone and search for a new available device. So there we get the there we get HC05, and pair to that it will ask for the password, and the password is going to be 1234. On successful pairing from the settings, then go to the application. There you can connect to HC05. So after connection made successful done, you can observe that the LED blinking will be slows down. So now go to this. Already we have set the key configuration. Now these two are to direction purpose and these two are for speed up and speed down. So I have set the direction for the backward. So already the speed is low setted. So when you are sending the commands, we can observe the light should on and off. So till it reaches the maximum level, so it's keep on blinking. So when the light changes its state, then only you can send the commands here, not faster work. So you can see that the DC motor is going to be start, because it needs some current initially. So once the current is reaches, then it start moving. So you can that it reaches the maximum speed. Now once the motor started, you can slowly decrease the speed also. You can observe on this LCD. Right, and increase. And direction change also, forward and backward. Right.